all of this stuff that I've dug on my channel, other than arrowhead hunting, I just started doing because I had to. It was just an idea I came up to make everything else grow. And this was initially going to be a giveaway item in the video, but coronavirus hit. My dad was terminally ill and I couldn't really go to the post office because I'm an only child, and I just had to put that on the back burner. So all this stuff I found up to this point is game to give away, and this is one item that I found that I'd love to give away. This is what I've done with it. It's going to be a different giveaway. It's not going to be random winners. I want somebody to have this. It has like, let's say you have a tire shop where you put on tires, like as an individual, or a little mechanic shop, and you have a few of these signs hanging on the wall in your office where people come in and you do business and they pay. I dug this in a town dump here locally. Right here's the YouTube channel, my name. I did all this myself, the title of the video and the date that it was put on YouTube. I think that adds a premium to it on some level, since I found it and it's on video. It makes a little bit more interesting piece. But put down in the description why you'd like to have it. I'd like it not to go like to a private residence. I'd like it to go to a business. And you know, I'm giving it to you free, and I feel this is a $100 sign. It's Sahio. This would have been on a little pole, probably on a stack of round tires, like a tire holder. You can look it up, but I assume that's what it is. I have not looked it up. It would look great. It's got nice color, you know, it's got a little rust. I think I did this pulling it out because in the video it was like this, and I thought it was a barrel rim. I didn't know it was a porcelain sign, but it's still nice. It's still a $100 piece, but I want you to be able to show it. I want it like on the wall. So tell me why. And if you're like a woman that has a husband that does that, maybe tell me why. It's just not all for guys. It's for any car lovers that could put this someplace where it will be seen. And if you'd tell people it was like found on my channel, show them the back of it, or even put something on the front after you get it, that'd be even more awesome. But thanks for watching and good luck. I'll have my mom maybe read over the comments and let her pick one, the one she likes the best. I think that's fair. I'm trying to get her involved with my channel a little bit and help me out. So, but good luck. It's a nice piece. Later. And you want a piece I found, here it is. Later. Well, you know what this means. Old squirrel buddy. I had him down on the floor, and somebody must have tracked a little tiny piece of gum in. You can see his little bald spot there. I had to cut it out. It was all in his fur. And then he likes peanut butter sometimes, and he got eats it off my finger, and he must have spilled a piece, and he had it all in his fur. And then I got to looking at him, and he had one flea on him. Tell him, Squirrel Man, you're a dirty flea bag. And I had to put flea medicine on you and everything. Look at these bald spots. Squirrel Man. Let me get him here. We're gonna get you dried off. Look at him. Squirrel buddy. You didn't like the bath this time, did you? Because you had to get soaped up. Look at him. Alright. I just wanted to show him. That's my buddy. Later, folks. Look here. He's in his blanket. He's all cold. I can feel him shivering. He's getting warmed up. Look at this good boy. It's hard for me to hold this. Look at this boy. Squirrel buddy. Later. Alright, it's the next day. I think, Squirrel Man, you're getting caught there, buddy. It's the next day. Squirrel Man's looking a little better. The old flea bag, look, he's bald spots looking better. Tell him you had fleas, gum in your hair, and peanut butter in your hair. Show him you're doing better now. I like you too, buddy. Look at him. He's so lovable. Like if I put him down on the floor and he's running around and you call him, he comes. He's as smart as a cat. Just about the same. He knows what you're saying to him. I've never been around a squirrel before. I didn't know how smart they were. But good luck on the sign. Just comment, tell me why you want it. Somebody's gonna get it. Later.